Yes, we're in Vegas. Believe it or not. We didn't have any water this morning for some reason. No water this morning for some reason. I wonder why. In the middle of the night I got up and there was no water. Had to turn the pump on. So I just come out now to see what the trouble could be. Now this is Vegas. It's not Lake Isabel. And there's the time. So you can figure what it must have been in the middle of the night. This is Las Vegas Preserves on Boulder Boulevard.
At the end of us.
Well,
That
Sherry
was
and I
it.
went, you know.
And we haven't even been.
Yeah, Sherry and I went.
Why haven't you been?
Oh, Harley.
Whoa, wait a minute. I'll get my belly up under my armpits.
I don't want
well.
to take pictures.
Go. Take
Yeah, look at
pictures
you.
of us.
Oh, hi.
Oh, man, my hair like it is.
Get up.
Yes, Jerry and I are still in Las Vegas. And this is just before we turn into Chuck and Jeans. We're going to leave tomorrow and go up to Lake Isabel, where we see a lot of this snow.